What problem or problems do you see with everybody creating their own engines in JavaScript? Just like we did, right? Can't we just create our own engine and all of a sudden, boom, there it is. We have our JavaScript engine? Well, yes, you can definitely do that. But remember our list over here, how it was called ECMAScript engines and not JavaScript engines? That's because if everybody can just create a JavaScript engine, it'll just be total chaos. Which is why ECMAScript was created. It tells people, hey, here's the standard and how you should do things in JavaScript and how it should work. And ECMAScript is the governing body of JavaScript that essentially decides how the language should be standardized. So it tells engine creators, this is how JavaScript should work. But internally, how you build the engine is up to you as long as it conforms to these standards. And if we go back to our example over here, this engine, inside of this box, as long as it conforms to ECMAScript standards, I can do whatever I want as an engine creator. So companies and organizations are battling to have the fastest engine so people use their tool. For example, Google is really interested in having the fastest engine so that more people use their Chrome browsers, so that they use their search engine, so that they can sell more ads and make more revenue. But keep this in mind, that this can be implemented any way we want, and it constantly changes to find the fastest way possible to have JavaScript work in our browsers or even outside of our browsers. And we're going to be talking about the V8 engine here because it is the most popular. And you might see some different variations of this. But what we're going to talk about here applies to most JavaScript engines. And although things may change over time, as long as you understand the principles and why it's built the way it is, we're going to be able to understand how to write optimized code. But before we get into that, let's talk about what these things are. We have the interpreter and the compiler. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.